evening, everyone. Good evening, Batch 2025. Let your will be done. That is the prayer I use most in this chapter of my life. From the sleepless nights to the most stressful encounters, fellow graduates, we are now officially on the last page of our high school story. One significant lesson that I learned from this journey is to let God lead us to His path. As senior high school students, I know that all of us are uncertain of what will happen to us in the future. But one thing is for sure is that we are all champions of purpose. Thus, despite all the setbacks we may face, let us not doubt God in how we must achieve what is meant for us and redirect us to what is planned for us. As we take one step closer to our dreams, I would like to remind everyone to be kind, grateful, and to always carry a loving heart. To help others, to inspire others, and to love one another. ABM, youth, STEM, PBL, and OpenApp. Congratulations! I know that through our determination, dedication, and perseverance, we are all capable of making this world a better place. Esteemed faculty, honored guests, and proud families, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2024-2025. Before I formally close this academic year, I would like to express my gratitude to my parents who have been there for me since day one. Mama Bel, Papa Bel, I wouldn't have made it here without your gentle love and support, together with the rest of our family. To my best friends, Nigel, Kelly, Aliyah, to my dear Stanley, and my dearest defense against dignity. Each one of you helped make this journey a lot easier to handle. To Mr. Vincent Alvarez, thank you for being my peace and love and comfort. You are indeed one of the greatest blessings of my life. To our most dedicated class advisor, Engineer Abigail Lobo, the values you taught us made us want to become better people each day. And we will carry this forever in our hearts. To my dearest school publication lead, Giorgio Paltuano, for the last time, I am your editor-in-chief, Eyes of the Public and Voice of the Nation. It is an honor being your editor-in-chief for the last 3 years. Echoing the hearts of my fellow batchmates, I am extending my gratitude to all the parents and families here who believe in us students. Your endless love and support are what inspired us to reach for our goals each day. To our honorable teachers, your lessons allowed us to explore our capabilities and employ our wisdom. To our school head, Mrs. Marie Pablo, thank you for guiding us and instilling in us the ethics of responsibility and valuable principles. We sure can use this as we step into the real world. Lastly, to our beloved custodians who make sure that we have a safe and comfortable learning environment, we students appreciate all of our efforts and hard work. I want to end my speech by leaving you a quote by Eleanor Roosevelt, saying that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of your dreams. Once again,